Dragon talent para ma-improve ang aking talento. Ang mga paborito kong actress ay sina Marian Rivera at Claudine Barreto. I was 7 years old then, young, pretty, and very promising. They said I would become a famous Falanana someday, graceful, charming, and with a very good voice. My parents had a perfect plan for me. They were planning to send me into a famous ballet school in Manila. But Mom, I don't want to go anywhere. I'd rather to stay here with you and Dad.